Every day, we constantly adjust our lights to keep them in sync with us.
Hey, hon, you left the lights on.
Hey, can you turn off the lights?
But I just got in bed.
But it's on your side.
Introducing Oro, the first light switch that makes it so you never have to think about your lights again. Oro responds to your presence with the light you need. It adapts to you by learning which lighting you like in different moments. With Oro, your lights are in tune with your life. Whatever the time of day or night, for every moment of your life, let Oro get the lights.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
I cannot wait to be alone. They're here. Gonna be good for Grandma and Grandpa?
And lights out by 8 p.m.
Alexa, turn the kitchen on.
Whether it's a simple touch on your smart device or with voice activation, you're in control from the comfort of your couch or anywhere else you happen to be. Leviton Decora Smart, making your home smarter and safer every day.
Installing Caseta Smart Lighting Control is easy. You'll need at least one in-wall or plug-in dimmer, a Pico remote, a smart bridge, and the Lutron app. You don't need to worry about bulb types. Caseta works with dimmable LEDs and all halogens and incandescent bulbs. If you're using dimmable LEDs, check out our bulb compatibility list to find the best bulb for your dimmer. Before you start, make sure you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. 3 steps to success. Step 1, install the dimmer. If you're using a plug-in dimmer, just plug it in. If you're replacing a switch, turn off the power to the switch at the breaker. Remove your old switch and install the Caseta dimmer. This takes about 15 minutes. You can find instructions for installing a 3-way switch, 2 or more switches that control one light, at casetawireless.com/support. Step 2, plug in the smart bridge and connect it to your Wi-Fi router. Step 3, download the free Lutron app and follow the instructions. If you have Pico remote controls, you can easily add them to your system via the app. Then get creative with personalizing your lighting control. And if you decide you want more dimmers, you can add them whenever you want. Have questions? Call our US-based 24/7 customer support line anytime at 1-844-LUTRON1. Welcome home to peace of mind.